Hi everyone, I'm Derek from Edge Visualization in ADLINK. Today we are in Taipei Automation Expo 2023, and today we would like to introduce you ADLINK Industrial Touch Monitor Solution, the OM series. So as you can see, this is a 23.8-inch that is open frame solution, can let our customer be very easy to implement and integrate in their applications. So today our application is this touch monitor connect to our PC and also with our AI camera for automation packing detection inspection to detect the mismatch and also the leaked components. So most importantly, we also, not this size, we also offer the full screen sizes from 7-inch to 43-inch. So most important is that we also combine with AUO Display Plus panel solutions, that is with IP65 solution. And the most important is that we also provide the value-added service to our customers. So that is highly flexible customization. So for instance, the different touch solutions, the different optical enhancement, the different mechanical and scalable design, so that can help our customer to easily fit in their application fields and also save their R&D costs and speed up the time to market. I'm glad to be here and share to you up-to-date information about our industrial touch monitor solutions. If you are interested in our solutions, please don't hesitate to contact with us, or you also can go into our website to discover more. Thank you.